This is a BZ27 from 1992. It's being repurposed for another job. It's been stripped down to the casting. We're going to put new bearings, seals, bushings, everything. VC1 control upgrade. This is a GRM 80 from 1997. It also was stripped down. Going to redo all the gears, bearings, bushings, new oil lines, air lines with a VC1 control upgrade. This is an MC82 from 2002, getting a full VC1 upgrade and being put back into our production for a machine swap. This is a BZ28 from 2002, stripped down, rebuilt all the oil lines, air lines, new gears, and it's getting a VC1 control upgrade with a B20K weld system.